Hey, this is Chap Nova. Today I'm going to show you how you can get access to 1 million plus blog articles inside this free auto blogging WordPress plugin. Okay, it's so simple. Make sure you watch this video because I'm going to show you kind of like in detail a simple little overview of how this plugin works. But below this video in the description and in the first comment, YouTube comment, you're going to be able to click the link there and get your free auto blogging WordPress plugin with over 1 million blog articles that you can get access to today for 100% free. Stop looking all over the internet on Etsy and other PLR websites for these articles. We write these every single day with ChatGPT. We have it set up for SEO optimized to make sure that it's going to rank in Google and other search engines and also in AI overviews. Okay, we've got this thing set up so good. We're always updating it. We have an SEO expert that actually has written these prompts in ChatGPT that writes these articles, and I'll show you exactly our area where we get these articles written with ChatGPT. You're going to be blown away. And if you don't see any articles, once you look through the database, I'll show you more information on that in the video. Then you send a support ticket to us and we will get back to you as soon as possible. And like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to us to put a support ticket in and get articles that you need for your business, for your blog, so you can start auto blogging with your WordPress website with our over 1 million plus blog articles. Okay, so enough with all that. Okay, so basically what's going to happen is you're going to click obviously the link below and it's going to take you over to this page right here. Okay, watch this video, it'll go in a little bit more detail, but we could easily sell this for $197 lifetime. We could sell it probably for $1,000 lifetime or sell it for $97 a month, but we're not doing that. You're going to get free lifetime updates, free plugin training, and like I said, you're going to get access to over 1 million plus evergreen niche articles that we are basically getting our system to write every single day, so we have always fresh content for you guys. Okay, so all you're going to do is you're just going to click right here, add your name, your email, click yes, I want this, confirm the email, and it will take you to the thank you page, and then you can start getting things going. That's me right there, Chap Nova, but let's show you this in action. Okay, that's what you really want to see. So once you have downloaded the WordPress auto blogging plugin called My Content Creator Pro, this is the free version. Okay, that in the background it's powered by ChatGPT to write these articles for you guys. So basically, once you have it installed, you just click right on here, auto content creation. So this is where you find all the articles. We have hundreds and hundreds of categories that you can pick from. Okay, actually I just did a batch today for for affiliate. And if you just click right here, basically the way it works is you can either just type in the category right here, the keyword, enter your keywords that you're looking for. So, you know, if you were looking for affiliate articles, you can just put affiliate. And then right here, you just put affiliate right there. But like I said, you can do it either way. This right here is if you want to spin the articles, but you don't really have to. But if you want to, you can. You can just click here and you can click on any one of these. Basically, let's just show you basically pretty much if you started looking for an article under about affiliate. Okay, so we'll click right here, and like I said, we just did a batch of these today. We've got 152 different articles right here, 16 pages right there. You just click on any one of these pages and you can see these articles that are getting written right now. Okay, so it's really that simple. So let me go back here so I can show you how simple this is to work for you. So basically what we have is, if let's say you see some articles you like, so you just click right here, the action, and you click right here and you click save results. So what's going to happen is it's saved them there. Now it's going to go right here, import results. That's where those things are going to go, and here's the 3 right here. So basically what you're going to do is you can see these are the articles that were written right here. So we can just click add to post, add to post, add to post. All right, and these articles are being written right now, not being written, but being posted right now. Here's our testing website right here. So if we just go right here, you can see, we just click right here. Here's the articles right here for you. And you might be thinking, okay, well, I want images. Well, guess what? We've got that covered for you guys too. So see, there it is right there. You can see it just posted that article right there. Here's another one that just posted. Okay, here's the next one that it posted right here. So basically, the way it's going to work is, now, let's say you want to do auto blogging, okay? Well, actually, let me do this first here. So you have the article that you just wanted to have. Now, let's say you want to add a YouTube video to one of your articles. All you do is you just come right over here. All right. And then what you do is you just click in here and you just go, let's see, let's just do affiliate marketing. So let's go here. So let's see here. We're going to go to images and we'll go right here. So let's see here. So let me just go back out here real quick. And I'm going to come back over here. And we're going to go to video. So basically what we're going to do is click right here on video search. And then I'm just going to type in affiliate. And then it's going to search right here through YouTube. And it's going to find all different videos that have to do with affiliate marketing or affiliate topic. Okay. So basically all you do is you just click right here. We're going to save these. So save action. All right. So we save those. All right, now we got those saved there. Okay, so basically what happens is those things are saved, so now we can actually keep those in the database of whenever we want to post them. So basically what we'll do next is the auto blogging right here is if you want to set up one of those, you just click on add new campaign. Then it's basically this the simple part that we showed you before. So basically what you do is you just create a title right here for what you want this campaign to be, so we can just call it affiliate. And then if you want articles like, let's just do days, every 1 day, let's just say, keyword's going to be affiliate. Then basically you can put, we want that affiliate for the image because it's going to find images that have to do with affiliate. And then if you want to spin it, you can. And then right here, you can pick the category if you want, like we told you. You just come down here and you just put affiliate. And then what you can do is just come down here and then you will actually have the information right there for the keyword that you want to write the article about. But the articles, like I said, are already written in the database that we have. This right here is choose the video keyword. This right here is going to find the YouTube videos for you. And then basically right here, you just click on search. And then this is where the auto blogging part comes in. So you just basically pick these, just like I told you. You click on these right here. Then you add these campaigns here. All right, we'll just go here. And now those are saved. And now we can go over here to your scheduling auto blogging. And then you can see these ones are set right here. And these are going to go out. You can see right here, this is going to go out on the 22nd. This is going to go on the 23rd. This is going to go on the 24th, 25th, 26th. So that's all you have to do. It's very simple. You just set these up, load them up, and then you can literally build a brand new niche website with 100 different blog posts over the next 100 days. So basically, I know you can do it sooner than that. You can do it quicker, but I would do it slowly. But still, you can literally build a website that has 100 articles in it that are SEO optimized with YouTube videos that match the topic, images that match the topic, and start getting traffic, leads, and sales. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here. And then we're going to come down here to image search. So like I said, we did affiliate. So we'll go here. This uses Pixabay. It's 100% free. These are all copyright free. So you're not going to get in trouble. You can click on any of these images and they will be, you can save them to your media file, basically like over here, but it will automatically do it. So like if you pick on one, like you just select on these just like this, very simple. And then you just click save. And then basically it's going to save them right into your, just come over here and just show you. It's going to save them right here so you can use them anytime you want. Okay, so let's go back over here to My Content Creator Pro, the free version. All right, so you see how simple that is. So now I want to show you. So let's say you have this set up and you come over here and you don't see the category that you want articles to be posted on your website. Okay, say your website has to do with, let's say AI SEO. That's a really popular one. And let's say AI marketing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. And this is, like I said, I just had 100 articles written before I made this video. And they were on affiliate, okay? So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to refresh this here. This is something that you won't be able to see. This is for us. This is where we actually create the articles for you guys. So basically, let me come over here. So basically, if you ever see, don't see the articles that you want, you can come down here, all right? And you click on contact us. You can go to our support desk right here, and then basically you can just come over here and you can just either do a general support question right there, or you can go to My Content Creator Pro and you can put a support ticket there and let us know which article category you want us to write about. And I will go in there and set it up and let ChatGPT write it for you. And you will actually have those 100 articles written. We can write them in 25, 50 articles, 75 articles, 100 articles. I always write people when they ask for articles. I make 100 articles for them just to help you in your business and take your business to the next level. Okay. So basically, let's just say, let's see here. So basically what we need to do is, I know that there isn't an AI SEO topic, so I'm just going to go AI SEO. So we added that category right here. Whoops. AI SEO. Spelled it wrong there. Now we add the category. Now the category is added, and you can see right there, it's AI SEO. Okay, so we're going to come back over here. And like I said, this is what we see right here. You guys don't see this. Then I'm going to take right here, scroll down, click on that we just generated. And then I'm just going to type in here AI, SEO. So we got that done there. Now what we do is, I'm going to show you this in action so you can actually see that we're actually really doing what we say. So we click right here, generate articles. These take about 30 minutes to an hour to write. Our system in the background, writing with ChatGPT and our prompts that our SEO expert has put together. So these articles are written exceptionally well for you guys to rank well, to get more traffic, leads, and sales. And now here are the articles, the 100 articles that it's going to write for our database right now that you can get access to. These are fresh right here. You can see them all right here. All right. Then when I'm ready, if I want to do that, then I'm going to click process in queue, but I'm just going to go up here and show you a few of these things. All right, here's one of the articles going to be written about the ultimate guide to AI SEO optimization. 5 ways AI is revolutionizing SEO. Top 10 AI SEO mistakes to avoid. How to implement AI into your SEO strategy. The best AI SEO tools for 2021. Sometimes ChatGPT gets a list a little bit wrong. You can change that to 2026. Still, I don't know what it is with AI right now. It still gets dates wrong. Right here, 6 advanced techniques for AI-driven SEO success. Let's see, AI versus traditional SEO, which is better. 3 key benefits of using AI for SEO. How AI is changing the future of SEO. And then basically the complete guide to AI-powered SEO. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on process. And what it's going to start doing is it's going to start processing 3 articles at a time. It usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour to write these SEO optimized articles. And it's going to write them on AI SEO. So basically what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to copy this right here, and then I'm going to see if we actually even have these yet loaded in. Like some of them, it's obviously not going to be the 100. So we just go down here, we just find that topic that we just made, that category, and I go right here, and I'm going to paste that in there, but you don't always have to do that, but let's just see. Yep, it's already starting to write them here for you guys. All right, so basically if you want to take action and get our free WordPress Autoblogging plugin for 100% free, what you need to do is click the link below this video. Let me just scroll back here. Go back here to this page right here. What you need to do is click the link below this video, like I said in the description or in the first comment. Add your name, your email address, click yes, I want this, confirm the email, and you'll be taken to the thank you page where you can download the WordPress Autoblogging plugin for 100% free. You can let us know if you see your category or not, and we will write you for 100% free 100 articles that can help you take your business to the next level and get your blogs going with more traffic. And like I said, we have over 1 million articles. We're adding thousands of new articles every single day. So eventually I'm sure we'll have over 2 million articles. It will take time, obviously. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of questions, post them below in the comments area, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm going to be doing this every day. I'm going to be posting different articles and showing you guys our free WordPress Autoblogging plugin. So stay tuned. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the inside. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.